Welcome to today's demonstration. This demonstration will be showcasing FileBound's solution capability within the Accounts Payable department. Today I'll be taking you through a FileBound Accounts Payable automation solution with a finance platform integration. So firstly, we need to start with invoice data capture. This can be achieved via scanning on your multifunction device, saving email attachments, or via a mobile device. Now with our advanced capture platform, we will identify the key data for extraction, as an example, who the supplier is, all the header data, plus optional line item information. Once capture is complete, we will migrate the invoices to FileBound and start the accounts payable workflow process. During this process, the invoices will be automatically routed for approval. Users can be either on-site or off-site with remote access. Once the invoices are approved, the invoice data will be migrated to the finance platform, removing the data entry element. Once the data is migrated, the status of the document within FileBound will be updated. Okay, now let's head over to FileBound. FileBound is a secure web-based platform which enables the user to access the FileBound platform from any device, anywhere, at any time, as long as the user can reach the URL on the device of their choice. So now that our 4 invoices are in FileBound, let's log in as our Databuild AP user. Once we are taken to the FileBound platform, you will see here that the Databuild user has 4 assignments within our accounts payable workflow. The first step of our workflow is obviously to review the new invoice that has just come into the system. I've also been able to assign a due date to these invoices, giving the user 1 day to complete this task and providing them with the supplier information. So let's open up Jill. You will notice that the document is opened up in our FileBound web viewer. And on the left-hand side pane here, we have a dynamic folder structure created for Jill's invoice. We can also see all of the metadata that was captured from this particular invoice, and also the lookup data that was returned when we queried Databuild system. And you'll see here that I have a supervisor, Greg, that will need to approve this invoice. So we've done a PO match on this particular invoice. If you have an invoice that comes into the system that doesn't have a PO, the user can simply populate these particular pieces of information, save the data, and move it on down the workflow. So I'm going to send this particular invoice on for approval for Greg. So I simply go down to my workflow actions and move that down the workflow. So let's now log in as Greg. So when we log in as Greg, you will see that he has 1 workflow task, and his particular step is invoice approval. And he's been assigned 2 days to complete this particular task. So Greg can open up this invoice. He can review the relevant data, ensure that the invoice is correct and ready for approval. He can go down to his workflow actions and click invoice approved. Now that this invoice has been approved, it's ready for Databuild integration. What I'm going to do is I'm going to process the other 3 invoices so we have a data set ready for the Databuild upload. Okay, now that we have our 4 invoices that have all been approved by their relevant supervisors, and you'll see here the status is approved, these particular invoices are ready to be migrated to Databuild. Our integration platform will take this data set, create a CSV file ready for upload into Databuild. Okay, now our integration platform has created our CSV file, and has also updated the FileBound status for these particular invoices to show that these particular invoices have been sent over to Databuild, and we've created a timestamp as well. So as a manager, you have full transparency over your complete invoice set throughout the workflow process before they get ingested into Databuild. So let's head over to Databuild and upload these particular invoices. Now that we have Databuild open, let's head over to File, Load Batch, CSV, and let's select the CSV that's been created by our integration platform, ready for upload. So we simply open the CSV, select all of our records, and click Upload. This will upload the 4 batch invoices into Databuild. Now we can check this upload by heading over to our audit trail And we can see here, the bottom of the list is our 4 invoices that have just been ingested. So in summary, you have seen today that we've been able to ingest invoices, automatically extract data, populating our meta fields, automatically route documents around our organization to our supervisors that might be out remotely, approve these invoices, and then migrate that data into Databuild. I hope you enjoyed today's demonstration. If you would like some more information, please contact us on sales@filebound.com.au.